Question 1. Karpuri Thakur, who was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2025, was the former Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option C. Bihar. Question 2. Which state government announced the creation of a digital library to preserve rare records of its ancient temples? Correct answer is option C. Odisha. Question 3. Which organization launched the Enhanced Certificate of Origin (ECU) 2.0 system for foreign trade facilitation? Correct answer is option C. Directorate General of Foreign Trade (DGFT). Question 4. The National River Traffic and Navigation System (NRT and NS) was launched by which union ministry? Correct answer is option B. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Question 5. The MY Bharat AAPDA Mitras are a group of volunteers trained by which institution to assist in disaster relief? Correct answer is option B. National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA). Question 6. Which state became the third habitat for cheetahs in India, after Kuno and Gandhi Sagar, with the Noradehi Sanctuary? Correct answer is option C. Madhya Pradesh. Question 7. Which city of India was recently included in the UNESCO Creative Cities Network as a Creative City of Gastronomy? Correct answer is option C. Kozhikode. Question 8. What is the name of the initiative launched in Nagaland to revive traditional water bodies and strengthen water harvesting systems? Correct answer is option B. Mission Watershed Punarutthan. Question 9. Who inaugurated the All India campaign, Our Constitution, Our Respect, to mark the 76th Republic Day celebrations? Correct answer is option C. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. Question 10. The Border Roads Organization (BRO) works under the administrative control of which ministry? Correct answer is option B. Ministry of Defense. Question 11. What is the Nag Mk2 missile, which was recently in the news? Correct answer is option B. The third generation anti-tank fire and forget guided missile. Question 12. The indigenous, Saksham, anti-drone grid, launched by the Indian Army, was developed in collaboration with which company? Correct answer is option C. Bharat Electronics Limited, Bell, Ghaziabad. Question 13. New Space India Limited, NSIL, functions under the administrative control of which department? Correct answer is option C. Department of Space, DOS. Question 14. Which organization approved the second living drug, Cartemi, for treating blood cancer in India? Correct answer is option B. Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO. Question 15. The Atomic Energy Bill, 2025, which enables private companies to enter nuclear power plant operations, is also known by which name? Correct answer is option B. Shanti, Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India, Bill. Question 16. India's heaviest communication satellite of the Indian Navy, which was launched recently, is named? Correct answer is option C. CMS-03. Question 17. The Indian Institute of Science, IISc, recently developed a new siphon-based system for which purpose? Correct answer is option A. Siphon-based thermal desalination for clean drinking water. Question 18. The Border Roads Organization, BRO, is set to construct the Shyok Tunnel. What is its key strategic significance? Correct answer is option B. Providing all-weather connectivity to areas close to the lake. Question 19. Which state of India will host the World Junior Shooting Championship 2028? Correct answer is option D. India. Question 20. What is the name of the new species of damselfly discovered in the Western Ghats of India? Correct answer is option B. Protosticter suryaprakashi. Question 21. Which country is set to host the G20 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option B. South Africa. Question 22. Which country recently reported a major outbreak of the cholera disease, raising urgent global health concerns? Correct answer is option D. Sudan. Question 23. Which organization released the Global Risks Report 2025? Correct answer is option C. World Economic Forum, WEF. Question 24. India has won the presidency of the International Institute of Administrative Sciences, IIAS, for which period? Correct answer is option B. 2025 to 2028. Question 25. Which country declared a state of emergency after cigarette smuggling balloons from Belarus repeatedly disrupted its airspace? Correct answer is option C. Lithuania. Question 26. Which country is hosting the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine in December 2025? Correct answer is option B. India. Question 27. The world's largest data center is said to be built in which state of India? Correct answer is option A. Gujarat. Question 28. What minimum percentage of a company's total issued and paid up equity share capital must be held by public shareholders under SEBI's Minimum Public Shareholding (MPS) rule? Correct answer is option C. 25%. Question 29. Which international organization recognized India's UPI as the world's largest real-time payment system in its June 2025 report? Correct answer is option A. World Bank. Question 30. Ramban Sali honey, recently seen in the news for receiving a ghee tag, is mainly produced in which region of India? Correct answer is option B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 31. Anant Ambani became the youngest and first Asian to receive the Global Humanitarian Award for Animal Welfare from which organization in December 2025? Correct answer is option C. Global Humane Society. Question 32. Who won the men's singles title in the Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C. Jannik Sinha. Question 33. Which player of the Indian women's cricket team was appointed as DSP in the UP Police? Correct answer is option C. Deepti Sharma. Question 34. Who has been honored with the Dayton Peace Prize Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option A. Salman Rushdie. Question 35. The Sultan Azlan Shah Cup 2025 is associated with which sport? Correct answer is option B. Hockey. Question 36. The mascot of the Khelo India University Games 2025 was named. Correct answer is option C. Khamma Ghani. Question 37. Who won India's first gold medal at the World Boxing Cup Finals 2025? Correct answer is option C. Amit Panghal. Question 38. Who became the first Indian to win the 2025 World Youth Scrabble Championship, WYSC? Correct answer is option D. Madhav Gopal Kamath. Question 39. Where was the International Saraswati Mahotsav 2025 inaugurated? Correct answer is option B. Kurukshetra, Haryana. Question 40. Pandit Channulal Mishra, who recently passed away, was a doyen of which field? Correct answer is option B. Classical music. Question 41. What was the theme of the World Fisheries Day 2025? Correct answer is option C. India's Blue Transformation. Question 42. Which state in India has approved the Assam Prohibition of Polygamy Bill 2025? Correct answer is option C. Assam. Question 43. Which international organization launched a new virtual museum of stolen cultural objects? Correct answer is option A. UNESCO. Question 44. The COP30 summit is scheduled to be held in which country? Correct answer is option B. Brazil. Question 45. The rare migratory Pallas's gull bird was recently spotted in which state of India? Correct answer is option A. Jharkhand. Question 46. The Bonda tribe, known for its unique culture, is primarily found in which state? Correct answer is option A. Orissa. Question 47. According to the NCRB report, which state reported the highest number of farm suicides in 2023? Correct answer is option A. Maharashtra. Question 48. When was the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao BBBP scheme, which was recently discussed, launched? Correct answer is option C. 2015. Question 49. Which special day was declared by the Cabinet to be observed on November 15 every year? Correct answer is option B. Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Question 50. Which Indian city was ranked India's dirtiest in the Swachh Survekshan 2025? Correct answer is option A. Madurai.